This is better? Is this better? Ankush Marwa, is this better? Alan, yes. Two yes. Hey, Dharamshali. Ranjit, yes. Animesh, okay, 4 times yes. That almost 9 times. 10 times, 11 times. 12 times. No, right? Amit saying no. Harpreet is saying, okay, 13, 14. No. Okay, 2 no. 5 no. 6, 7. Okay. I want you to say no because, yes, I like it with the bindi. Hot? Uncle, yes. Bulldogs, cool. Yes. Yes. Okay, yes, ज़्यादा है. Are you sure like this? I'll be like this. I have no problem. Yes. I thought this is better. See? No? This? No or yes? Yes? बताओ ना. बिंदी लगा के कि नहीं? No? Okay. Yes, Raj. 13. Okay. कोरोना वायरस अब नहीं चेंज करूंगी मैं. बहुत हो गया अभी बस. I like this. I'm gonna sleep in this one. And when I'm gonna sleep, maybe I'll not wear this either. Maybe I will because ये मेरे पास अभी थोड़ा टिंकली है ना, फिर तो ये आपका होने वाला है. अभी ना मैं काम करती हूँ. Dharam Shaleen, I like your name. Kiss you, miss you, kiss you and wish you both. Sachin, Raj, Alan, Chaskiriwal, Farhan, Bhargav, Kama Sutra tip. Wait for it. Eldu, hey Dharam Shaleen, I am saying your name. Shankar, Sai, Raj, I love you. Hey Eldu, kiss you. Hey Alvin, hey Pawan. You want me to show you more? I'll show you what all I know, baby. Vitesh, Raj. Coronavirus ko Kama Sutra tip चाहिए. Dead, Ellen, alcoholic, whatever you say. Tell me in direct line. I'll do it for you. Hey Ranjit. Hey Sachin. Hey Shankar. Hey Dharam Shaleen, I love you, baby. You look good in the DP. Dharam Shaleen, can you put a closer picture जैसे कि आर्ट ने रखा हुआ है so that I can see your face? I'm only seeing a full portrait, so I can't make out how you look. Hey, कोरोना वायरस का पिक्चर आया मुझे. अभी ना. Pawan, this is for you. Hey Ranjit. अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं. इससे मुझे याद आया कि जाने का वक्त होने वाला है. 11:18 मैं जाने वाली हूँ बेबी. 1 घंटा होने वाला है. हालांकि मैं सोच रही थी मैं 45 मिनट्स में चली जाऊंगी. 45 मिनट्स आने वाला है. ये सोचिए अभी. 1 second. अभी तो आए हो बाहर बन के. यार ये कोई काम की नहीं है, पता है ये मैक्सी. सीरियसली बिच. ज्यादा दूर हो गई ना मैं आपसे. All right. Amazing it is. Whenever I read it, I just get so lost. I will marry you, Raj. Hey Ranjit. Hey Raj. Yes. one dating tip. धर्मशाली मेरे ख्याल से कामा सूत्रा. The embrace of the thighs. So Kama Sutra में thighs का भी बहुत अच्छे से explanation दिया हुआ है, because you know there are a lot of people जिनको thigh का kink भी होता है. Like we have spoken about foot fetish. There is this thing wherein a guy loves a woman's thigh and they get turned on when they see their thighs. And also there's this about the embrace of the thighs. It's one way of hugging a partner while the act of sex. इसमें ये लिखा हुआ है कि when one of the lovers forcibly presses one or both of the other thighs between his or her thighs. It's like, I'll show you how it is done. So it's like, say, these are my legs, okay? And if a guy sits on me or I sit on him, and if he's pressing my thighs between his thighs while we are kissing, it's about that. It's called the embrace of the thighs while kissing. So this is one kind of kiss when the thighs are pressed. And then there is one जहाँ पे आपके जो feet होता है ना, उनके बीच में, like आपका feet यहाँ पे, and then I'm playing with your toe and other. It's like that actually. The inside of the feet, and then things like that. अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर अश्विन बनाया आपने. Okay. अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर ये दिल अभी भरा नहीं. और दूसरा गाना कौन सा था? आशिक बनाया आपने. आशिक बनाया, आशिक बनाया, आशिक बनाया आपने. Jitendra Singh, thank you. Albin, I just sang. Wow, this is hot. This one is really hot, guys. Listen to it, listen to it, listen to it. Okay. इसमें ये लिखा हुआ है कि वैसे तो औरतें जो होती हैं वो रिजर्व्ड होती हैं और अपनी फीलिंग्स को कंसील रखती हैं, मतलब ज्यादा एक्सप्रेसिव नहीं होती अपनी बातों में. लेकिन when she gets on top of a man, जब वो आपके ऊपर हो, she shows all her love and desire. वो अपनी सारा जो प्यार है आपके लिए, she will show it to you while her movement. उसकी डिजायर जो है, उसका प्यार जो है, वो आप उनके मूवमेंट पे देखें और उसको रोके नहीं. Don't stop her and let her enjoy when she is on top of you. Basically, when she is, on you. Nice. Dharamshalin. Oh, yes, Dharamshalin. That's what I meant. Nice. I like your hairstyle. Hey, Ranjit. Hey, baby. Hey, Coronavirus. What's your name, Coronavirus? Apoor. Hey, Raj. Yes, we can. We will. Yes, Vikram. Guys, 1 घंटा हो जाएगा हमें in next 6 minutes. I'm going in next 5 minutes. All right, guys. Hey, Vikram. I love you, baby. The truth is, one truth if I have to tell you, I think you basically know all of the things about me. So, one truth that I can tell you is, whenever I feel excited, like whenever I feel turned on, I eat chocolates. Good night, love. Good night, Raj. Heart. Hi, Ranjit. Good night. Good night, Raj. Yes, Sachin, I'll tell you the truth in direct line. Make sure you text me there. Guys, I'm open for the ideas for life. आप लाइव में और क्या क्या आइडियाज चाहते हैं आप मुझे बताएं. डायरेक्ट लाइन पे मैसेज करें. आई विल टेक योर decent advice. It's nothing filthy, nothing I'm gonna listen if you're going to get sexual with me. I think I'm already very sexy with you. Very, very sexy with you. This is the max I've gone till date. And I enjoy it. I feel safe with you guys. I like it. Hannah Ranjit. I like that black shirt, Ranjit. Raj, of course I do. Hari Prasad. जैसे हम जाने लग जाते तो ये करने लग जाते हो आप. Hey Ranjit. Good break. Vivekacharya. Poonam. You're still awake? अभी तक जगे हो आप? Yes, it. Oh, that's so sweet. I'm keeping you up. Well, cheers, guys. Drink responsibly. हालांकि घर में हो तो क्या ही होगा. पी के सो जाओगे, है ना? Drink responsibly. Still, just take care of yourself. Don't overdo anything because अभी 21 दिन और चलानी है. दारू भी और दिमाग भी, right? So stay sane. अच्छी अच्छी चीजें पढ़िए, अच्छा चीजें देखिए. Okay? कोरोना वायरस बस करिए भाई. कितना घुमाएंगे आप मुझसे? एक खट्टे से बोल रही हूँ मैं. हाँ, guys. Do you want me to come live tomorrow? कल आऊं मैं live? In police outfit? You want me to come? Yes? Are you sure? What time? 10:30? 10:30 is good? Yeah? Coronavirus. Naresh. That's a nice picture again. Sunny. Yes? Gurpreet? Okay. Lucky? No? You don't want me to come live tomorrow, Gunjeet? Huh? No? You don't want me to come live tomorrow? ज़्यादा हो रहा है? नहीं? Okay. Okay. नहीं रंजीत, you don't want me to come live tomorrow? समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ. मैं आऊं या नहीं आऊं, अभी मैं फिर से पूछ रही हूँ. कल मैं लाइव आऊं